Do you notice that one day everything seems to go really smoothly and you feel really great about what you've achieved, and then suddenly the next, nothing seems to go right, and you beat yourself up thinking, I can't believe I said that or did that. But here's the thing, there's nothing different about that crappy day. The crappy day that you experience has nothing to do with your expertise, but it's got 100% to do with the state you're in. The key to success is not just to have a clear vision of what you want in your life, but it's also largely to do with how you manage your feelings and emotions from moment to moment. It's purely up to us to change our mind. I believe anything is possible. I choose to live in a world of possibility. You can achieve anything you want if you focus on the goal and just put in the work. But the number one thing that keeps us from succeeding is this. They go through their lives accepting what hand they've been dealt. They listen to the negative voice inside their head. I'll tell you what happened. You talked yourself out of following your dreams. You talked yourself out of fulfilling your purpose. Success is purely cause and effect. It's not magic. So stop listening to that negative voice inside your head that sounds so much like logic. Start instead listening to your heart, your inner voice telling you there's something missing. Success is actually easier than you think. It's making a plan, making a promise to yourself, then executing that plan every single day. We have one shot at this life. So why not focus on creating what you do want instead of giving so much time and attention to what you don't want or how messed up everything is? We created our lives. We created the things around us. No one else is to blame. So before it's too late, take advantage of that window of opportunity. Create a new destiny and seize that opportunity like you've never seized anything in life before. Take advantage of every breath you've been given because it's a gift. Don't waste it.